Egg thrown at Kunal Ghosh outside Mamata Banerjee's residence in Karighat, sparking political controversy. A fresh political controversy erupted on Sunday evening after an unpleasant incident took place outside the Karighat residence of West Bengal ex-Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee in Kolkata. Trinamool Congress leader and Belighata MLA Kunal Ghosh was targeted with a raw egg while around to attend a meeting. According to eyewitness, one of the eggs struck his head and broke on impact, creating a tense atmosphere in the area. Sources said that an important meeting was scheduled at the Chief Minister's residence that evening, and Kunal Ghosh have arrived to participate in it. While speaking to journalists outside the venue, a young man suddenly approached carrying eggs and began protesting. Moments later, he threw an egg at the Trinamool leader. Security personnel quickly intervened and moved to bring the situation under control. After the incident, the protester told members of the media that his actions are meant to reflect what he described as public anger. He alleged that leaders of the ruling party had subjected ordinary people to various forms of hardship and claimed that his protest was an expression of that frustration. They deserve to be hit with eggs, he reportedly said, explaining the reason behind his act. Kunal Ghosh responded strongly to the incident and raised several questions. Speaking to reporter, he said that if anyone have committed wrongdoing, there are legal and administrative channels available to address it. He argued that attacking someone on the street could not be justified in a democratic society. He further questioned the logic behind the protest, asking what connection he had to being made. According to him, simply accusing someone of wrongdoing does not give anyone the right to physically target another person. He emphasized that grievances should be addressed through lawful means rather than through acts of aggression.